Hi friends, welcome to our channel Jayaditya Math Tutorial. We are doing a series of 10th class mathematics. As a part of this, we are now in the chapter similar triangles. Already we have completed 3 exercises of your chapter, and now we are entering into our 4th exercise, in which all the problems are based on Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like my class, please do like and share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without wasting any time, let us get into our class. What is Pythagoras theorem? First of all, so let us understand what is Pythagoras theorem. Here the proof is not required, but the statement is very required. So let us take the right angle triangle. So why? Because Pythagoras theorem is based on right angle triangle only. So in a right angle triangle where right angle is at B, so what will be the hypotenuse here? So the hypotenuse will be the side opposite to right angle. So here AC will be the hypotenuse now. So what Pythagoras theorem states here is square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of squares of other two sides now. So what is hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is nothing but AC. So square of hypotenuse will be equals to sum of squares of other two sides. So what are the other two sides here? That is AB and BC. So you can write it as AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So what is this statement related to? That is nothing but Pythagoras theorem, and Pythagoras theorem is also known as Baudayan theorem. So you should not get confused when you have seen the word Baudayan theorem. If you have Baudayan theorem, you should think that is also Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we have some applications on this one. So in this chapter, all the examples are very important, as I told you earlier. And if you don't watch my previous classes also, please do watch them. Why? Because there you have a lot of concepts. If you have the concepts only, you can solve this kind of problems, or else it will be a tough job for you. Why? Because this completely based on reasoning now. Okay, so be careful. So let us see one problem, which is an example from your textbook, which is based on Pythagoras theorem. So let us see the question here. A ladder 25 meters long reaches a window of building 20 meters above the ground. Determine the distance of the foot of the ladder from the building. So see here now, there is a ladder, it seems. So the ladder length is 25 meters now. So the ladder length is 25 meters, and it reaches a window of a building. Let us think this is a building, and here there is a window now. So this ladder reaches the window which is 20 meters above the ground. So here you should take 20 meters. Now what is our question? Our question is find the distance between foot of the ladder. So at point C you will be having foot of the ladder, right? So what is the distance between foot of the ladder and the building? So you should find BC. This is the distance. So how to find it? Just you have all the values here, just substitute in the Pythagoras theorem. What happens here? So what is AC here? That is nothing but 25. So 25 square will be AB square, that is 20 square plus BC square. BC we need to find. So why? Because BC will be the distance here. So what is 25 square? That is nothing but 625 is equals to 20 square. What is 20 square? That is 400, which is equals plus BC square, right? So 625 is equals to 400 plus BC square. Now what you will be doing here? Take 400 to LHS, then this gives 625 minus 400, which is equals to how much? That is equals to BC square. Now what is the value here? That is 225, which is equals to BC square. 225 is equals to BC square. So from this, what can you write about BC? So BC will be equals to, when square comes to LHS, that will be the square root, right now. So this will be the square root of 225, and you know that square root of 225 will be just 15. So what are the units you have here? That is meters. So here you can mention meters. So what is the distance between the foot of the ladder and the building now? That is nothing but 15 meters. So such kind of simple problems you will be having. I already told you when we are discussing tangents and secants also, and when we are discussing trigonometry also. So there is a lot of importance for right angle triangle now. You should have thorough knowledge of this Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem has applications in various chapters of your textbook. Okay now, let us go for the next one. Right now, let us see the next one. That is example 12. BL and CM are the medians of triangle ABC right angled at A. So see here, there is a triangle, it seems right angled triangle, and The right angle triangle is nothing but ABC, and which is right angle at A. So in place of right angle you should take A none. Then you can take the remaining vertices like B and C. Okay, and in the question what he has mentioned, BL and CM none. So BL and CM are the medians, it seems. So what is a median? The line joining the vertex and midpoint of its opposite side is nothing but median. So here he has given BL. So let us take here L. So BL is the median, and also you have one more median, that is CM none. So CM means the median which is drawn from the vertex C. So here figure will not be given in the question, you need to draw it. Okay, so I already told you median is the line joining the vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side, right now. So here from the figure what can you see? So you can write like this, AM will be equals to MB, right now. AM will be equals to MB. Why? Because M will be the midpoint here. So these parts will be equal, and this completely will be equals to AB by 2 now. AB by 2. Why? Because each and every part will be half of the total side. And when L is the midpoint here, what can you write, Nana? So you can write like this, AL is equals to LC, which is equals to how much? That is AC by 2. So here these two parts will be equal. Why? Because L is the midpoint of AC. Now in the question what he is asking us means, we need to prove that 4 times of BL square plus CM square, which is equals to how much? That is 5 times of BC square, it seems now. 4 times of BL square plus CM square is equals to 5 times of BC square. You need to prove this part. Clear? So how to prove it? So whenever you have seen like these terms BL square and CM square, once you observe the figure, what is BL here? So BL will be the hypotenuse in the triangle ABL, right now. So if you take the triangle ABL, here BL will be the hypotenuse. And what about CM here? If you take the triangle AMC, then MC or CM will be also the hypotenuse. So here we have these things. And what is BC? BC is also the hypotenuse in the triangle ABC. So let us take each and every thing here and let us find by using Pythagoras theorem, and let us add them, then we will be easily getting the required proof now. So this problem is simple. So let us see here. So first of all, what you will be taking here. So how you are taking triangles is very, very important. So in triangle ABC, what can we say here? So BC will be the hypotenuse. So BC square must be equals to AB square plus AC square, right? So write that one. BC square will be equals to how much? That is AB square plus AC square now. So here BC is the hypotenuse. When we are discussing the Pythagoras theorem, there we have taken AC as hypotenuse. That's why some students will be remembering like that only, Nana. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. But that is not the right way of remembering the Pythagoras theorem. Always you should remember in such a way that square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of squares of other two sides. So here the hypotenuse will be BC. So BC square will be equals to AB square plus AC square. So let us take this as equation 1. Here we want BC. For that reason I have taken BC. And next what you need? Next what you need is, we want BL here, right now. We want BL. So take that one. So in triangle, from where you will be getting BL now? You will be getting BL from the triangle ABL, right? So from ABL triangle, you can write it as BL square. So here BL will be the hypotenuse. BL is the hypotenuse means, so this will be equals to AB square plus AL square. So this is equals to how much? AB square plus AL square now. AB square plus AL square. Let us convert AL as, AL is equals to LC is equals to AC by 2. So I am converting only this part AL as AC by 2. So I can write it as AB square plus AC by 2 whole square, which is equals to BL square. Can I write it or not? So what I am trying to do is, I want BC, right now. I want BC square. Actually what is BC square? AB square plus AC square. So I am trying to convert each and every term into AB and AC. Clear? So for that reason I have converted AL as AC by 2 whole square. So here you should understand these tricks now. So if you understand these tricks, then you can easily solve the problem. So from here, after simplification, what happens here? BL square is equals to AB square plus AC square by 4. And if you cross multiply this one or take the LCM and then you do cross multiplication, then this will be BL square is equals to 4 times of AB square plus AC square by 4, and bring 4 to the side. This will be 4 times of BL square, which is equals to 4AB square plus AC square. by writing fastly, don't write 4ab square and 4ac square. Here for ac square you don't have any coefficient. So let us take this as equation 2. Okay, in the same way, let us take the value of cm square. So from where do you get cm square? I want cm, right now. So what triangle I should take now? AMC. I should take AMC, right now. So in triangle AMC, what can you find it here? So cm square will be equals to am square plus ac square, right now. Am square plus ac square. So already here we have ac, so I am keeping ac as this, but I don't want am. So for that reason, what can I do here? Am, I am converting it as ab by 2. Okay now, so convert like this. So cm square will be equals to how much? That will be ab by 2 whole square plus ac square now. So simplify as we have done in the previous case. So this will be equals to cm square is equals to ab square plus 4ac square by 4. When you bring 4 to this side, this will be 4cm square is equals to ab square plus 4ac square now. So let us take this as equation 3. Clear? Now I think you got the idea what to do next. So see here, I will be adding equation 2 and equation 3. So from which I can get BC now. So see here, I want 4 times of BL square plus CM square, right? So for that reason, BL square plus CM square, I am doing that one now. Okay. Right now. So if I add it, this will be like 4BL square plus 4CM square, which is equals to how much? So on the LHS, it is 4BL square and 4CM square. Clear, Nana? On the LHS, you have 4BL square and 4CM square. So on the LHS, I have written that one, and you should add the RHS part now. 4AB square plus AB square. What happens now? That will be 5AB square plus, see here, AC square plus 4AC square, how much? That will be 5AC square. So you can take 4 as common, from where you will get 4L square plus CM square, which is equals to 5 times of AB square plus AC square, right now. 5 times of AB square plus AC square. Actually, what is AB square plus AC square? That is nothing but BC square. So simply you substitute that one. So that will be 4 times of BL square plus CM square, which is equals to 5 times of BC square. From where you got this one? From equation 1. From equation 1. So whenever you are writing the problem, we have some format right now. So first of all, you write the given data. ABC is a right angle triangle where right angle at A. Then you write CM and BL are medians. So from where you will be getting this part, right now. So here, whenever you are substituting here, so write this part in the given. This is our required to proof, and this is our proof now. So this is already an example. So I am explaining in a lighter way, as if so that you can understand it easily. So I think you got this one. Simple, Nana. This is very, very simple. Draw the figure correctly. Then by using Pythagoras theorem, find the value of BL square. Okay, and try to convert them. Convert AL as AC by 2, and when you are finding CM square, convert AM as AB by 2. Okay, now just you add them, then you will be getting the answer. So this is very, very simple. Do practice once without seeing, then you will be getting easily. This is very, very simple problem. Let us go for next one. Then you have next 2 examples which are very, very simple. You can understand just by looking them, but there is example 15 which is important, Nana. So let us do the 15th example once. So see here, why I am explaining examples also means, so those are very, very important. So some students may not understand just by looking at the examples. So for that reason, I am explaining those also. Why? And these have a greater scope of getting in 4 marks section. Okay, Nana. So what is our example 15? Let us see now. That is, ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at C. So let us take this one. First of all, let us draw the figure. What is he telling, Nana? ABC is a right angle triangle where right angle at C, Nana. So let us take this one like this: A, B and C. Here we have right angle triangle. And what is other information he has given means, let BC is equals to small a. Let BC is equals to small a, and AB is equals to small c, and AC is equals to small b. So those are nothing but those are the sides, dimensions of the sides, so you mostly will be representing the dimensions of sides with the smaller letter. So here small b in the sense that is the side opposite to vertex b, small a means that is the side opposite to vertex a, small c means that is the side opposite to vertex c. And also let p be the length of the perpendicular drawn from c on ab. So from c there is a perpendicular drawn, it seems, onto AB. So its length is given as P. Its length is given as P. So here what we need to prove means, you need to prove that PC is equals to AB is the first one, and the second one is 1 by P square is equals to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. 1 by P square is equals to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. So just by looking at the figure, most of the students feel the problem is very difficult, but the problem is so simple now. Okay, I'll be explaining you in such a manner that you can write the steps, but you should understand the concept. So let us see here. Let us take, already in the question he has mentioned that it is right angled at C. So if you observe triangle ABC, so let's get into our previous classes where we have done the areas of triangles when we have two different bases and two different altitudes. So here you need to get into that concept. So if you take BC as base, what will be the height? Obviously the height will be perpendicular to the base. So which side is perpendicular to the base here? That is AC. So if you take BC as the base, AC will be your height. And for the same triangle, if I take AB as the base, what will be the height here? The height will be nothing but it will be this part. Okay, so let us take this part D as D. So CD will be the height here. Okay, if you take base as BC, AC will be the height, and if you take AB as the base, then CD will be the height. So for triangle ABC, now you have two heights and two bases. Even if you have two heights and two bases, when you find area with a different base and different height, the areas must be equal or not. So here just you apply the area concept here. What will be area of triangle? First of all, area of triangle ABC can be written as, so take base as BC first of all. So this will be equals to half into base is BC, and if you take base as BC, what is your height now? Height will be AC. Let us take this as equation 1. This is nothing but area of triangle ABC. And by using second base, that is AB as the base, you can also find area, right? Again you find area of triangle ABC. What happens now? If you find the area of triangle ABC, then you'll be remain with half into base. Now I am taking the base as AB. I am taking the base as AB, and what will be my height now? Our height will be nothing but CD. Clear? The height will be equals to CD. Let us take this equation as 2. Okay, now in the both the LHS you have area of triangle ABC, that is the same triangle. So LHS part is equal, so you can equate the RHS. So simply you equate this half into BC into AC, which is equals to half into AB into CD. Now you substitute the values. Before that you can cancel half and half. You have 1 by 2 on the both the sides, so you can simply cancel this one. Then what is BC from the figure? BC is nothing but A. So you write here that is A into what is AC nana? What is AC here? AC is nothing but B. If you take AC, that is nothing but B. So this is AB, which is equals to how much? AB. What is AB here? AB is nothing but C. AB side is opposite to vertex C. So you have taken this as C. So in place of AB you can write C. And what is CD? So the dimension of CD is nothing but P. Right now, the dimension of CD is P. That's all. You got the answer. See here. PC is equals to AB. Clear? So this is the proof of 1. And let us go for the next one. What is that one? 1 by P square is equals to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Don't do anything, just apply Pythagoras theorem for the given triangle. Apply Pythagoras theorem for the given triangle. Let us see what happens. Okay now. So for that reason you need to do one part. I'll tell you when we require that one. So I am leaving a step here for your clear understanding. So let us see here. What I told you now, just apply Pythagoras theorem for the given triangle ABC. Okay. So if you apply Pythagoras theorem, what happens here? Square of hypotenuse, that is C square, right? Square of hypotenuse means AB is the hypotenuse, so we will be taking AB as C. So C square must be equals to B square plus A square. So C square is equals to, you can take it as B square plus A square. Clear now? So C square is equals to B square plus A square by Pythagoras theorem. Right now, by Pythagoras theorem. So in which triangle you have taken this one? In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. Now you see here what you can write as C. Okay, so I want to replace C here. Why? Because in the second proof I don't have any C. So from where I can replace this one? So from the proof of first one, I can write C as AB by P. Can I write it or not? Yes, I can write C as AB by P. So for that reason, let us take this as, already we have taken 2, no? So let us take this as equation 3 now. So now in place of C, I can substitute AB by P. So that will be AB by P whole square, which is equals to how much? That is B square plus A square. Now you remove the brackets. Okay, what happens now? This will be A square B square by P square, which is equals to B square plus A square. Right now. So simplify this one further. You see here in the denominator, I have P square. I have P square in the denominator here. So just bring A square B square to RHS now. So this will be like 1 by P square is equals to B square plus A square by A square B square. Clear? B square plus C square by A square B square. So you can split this one, that is B square by A square B square plus A square by A square B square. Can you write it or not? Yes. Now you cancel this one, B square and B square, and A square you can cancel. So what are you left with? That is nothing but 1 by P square is equals to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. So this is nothing but proof of 2. Right now, so we got both the proofs here. So very simple problem. Just first, in order to get the first part, what you need to do, take area of triangle 2 times by taking 2 different bases and 2 heights now. So see here, I have taken base as BC and height as AC. That is the first part, and I have taken AB as the base. Now the height will be CD. Okay, from that I have substituted the values. I got PC is equals to AB. That is our first required proof. Right. From this one, I have taken C is equals to AB by P. And for the second proof, what I did here, for triangle ABC, just I apply. Now you don't require this part, Nana. Now you don't require this part. Just for triangle ABC, just you apply Pythagoras theorem. That's all. Square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of squares of other 2 sides. Then what is C from equation 3 here? That is AB by P. So here you can write from equation 3. So if you simplify, you'll get the answer. That is so simple. I hope you have understood this class very well. If you have any doubts, you do comment in the comment section. I will definitely clarify them. And in the next class, we are going to solve the exercise problems. So be cautious. Whenever you are watching the video, please do watch it till the end. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like my class, please do like and share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you hit the bell icon, then you'll get notifications once the video is uploaded. Okay, now, so let us meet in our next class. Till then, bye.